morning, dears. Welcome to our English class. Hope all of you learn the cursive letters. So, this year onwards, you must use cursive letters only. Don't use the normal letters. That is compulsory. While you are writing, use cursive letters. Did you watch that video that I sent you how to write cursive letter? With the help of that video, practice it. Every day you practice writing cursive letters. Okay. And today, one more thing. I ask you to complete the worksheet that you have got in last year. Hope all of you completed that. And now we are going to our new book. Part 1, 5th Standard English Textbook, Part 1. In that textbook, Unit 1, The Mirror. Before starting, I want to know whether you got textbook. If you didn't get it, no problem. The pages I will send you. First you read that pages, then you listen or watch the video. Okay. So now if you have the textbook, open it. Otherwise, listen. Okay. First, all of you look at here. Look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? What is that? Can you explain the picture? See, here something, a train is coming, people are running here and there. This is a cartoon, isn't it? This is a cartoon. Before explaining this, what is happening here, I want to explain it. Before that, I want to know something. I want to get something from you. I know all of you watching movie. Isn't it? All of you watching movie. See, nowadays you are watching movies and you are enjoying that. Can you imagine that the first time the motion picture started? That times people's expression when they saw the first time motion picture, what was their expression? Can you imagine that? Now you can easily watch and you can realize what is happening there because you know the techniques behind the motion pictures. You can understand. You know what is the techniques behind the movie. But what happened that time when first motion picture started, shown in the theater, first movie shown in the theater, that time what was the people's expression? Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? What was their expression when once they saw the first movie, motion picture? Can you imagine? That is here. This shows that here they shows the expression of the people. When they watched the first watched motion picture, that times people expression shown here. By the cartoon, they are showing their expression. Look at the picture. A train is coming. In the screen, a train is coming and the people are running here and there. See, this is a cartoon. By this cartoon, they are giving an idea that what happened that time when they showed the first motion movie. With this cartoon, they try to give an idea about that. See, I'll read what is happening there. This cartoon shows the reaction of the viewers when the first ever motion picture was shown in Paris. First motion picture shown in Paris. That time's people's expression they shown here by a cartoon, through a cartoon. It was a 50-second long film directed by Lumiere Brothers. So, from here we can get one GK answer. What is that? Who made the first motion picture? We can get the answer. Who? Lumiere Brothers. Who invented motion picture? Who invented motion picture? Lumiere Brothers. When it is January 25th, 1896. First motion picture presented in 1896, January 26th. Where it is Paris by Lumiere Brothers. Understood? Then, for 3 questions they have already given here under this picture. Read it. First question, what do you see in the cartoon? All of you look at the picture and try to answer these questions. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? A train is coming and all the people are running here and there. And second question, what are the viewers doing? First question, what do you see in the picture? In the cartoon, a train is coming and people are running here and there. What are the viewers doing? These viewers screaming and they are running. Why they? What did they expect to happen? Can you give the answer? What did they expect to happen? Why they are running? Can you give me the answer? Anyone? Try. The train is coming and the people are running. They are screaming and they are running. What is going to happen? What did they expect to happen? Is it is there on the real rail, not in the movie. If the train is running nearby them, they will run. Why? If the train is coming near, the people running here and there, they are screaming and they are running here and there. Not in the movie, real situation. That time we can understand why they are running. Because they are afraid. They thought the train is coming to him, the train will hit them. So they are running. Here, the train is coming, train is moving, that is only in the motion picture. But the people can't realize that. They are thinking something happened, really happening. The train is really, the train is coming, and if they sit or stand thereby, definitely the train will hit them. Because they didn't see a motion picture that day, till that day. First time they are watching a motion picture. While the train is coming, the real feeling of running train they are getting. So they are thinking, really the train is coming. If they sit there, the train will hit them. So they are running. This shows that motion picture takes them to a real situation. Isn't it? They are thinking the train is coming, really, the train is coming near to them. The train will hit them. So they are running because they didn't see a motion movie like that. Till that day, they didn't get a chance to watch a motion picture like that. So first time when they get a chance to see like a motion picture, they thought that the train is coming. Really the train is coming. So they afraid and they started running. This is the first expression of the people while they are watching first motion picture. Understood? That here, with this cartoon, this reality, the cartoonist, this reality they wanted to show. They want to make in our mind. This expression comes that time. This is happened that time in that people's mind. Once they watch the movie, motion picture, they thought that the real thing is happening there. Like that feeling they got while watching that movie. That is the cartoon is shown by this cartoon. Understood? Okay, I hope all of you get an idea about this cartoon. So, you do one thing, write down Unit 1, the mirror. Unit 1, the mirror. And if you can draw the picture, try to draw this picture. Okay, then write down under the description that they given here. Write down. Copy this description into your notebook. Okay, and next thing, what is happening there? The mirror story. That I will take the next day. Before that, I will send this page through WhatsApp. All of you read that thoroughly and try to understand what is happening this page. So, tomorrow after this class, video class, I will send this page through WhatsApp. So, you read that and write one time. Copy to your notebook one time because you don't have any textbook. That's why I am asking you to copy this to your notebook. Can you do that? Okay. So, next class we will start this lesson. Unit 1. Before that, you copy this page into your notebook and read thoroughly. Then only while I am taking the class, you can get an idea easily. That's why I am asking you to copy this to your notebook. Okay. See you tomorrow.